Chrome 132 began launching this week as Google's first major browser update of 2025. And one new feature the company's finally making official is the ability to customize the toolbar on the desktop. On Chrome for Mac, Windows, and Linux, go to the new tab page and click Customize Chrome in the bottom right corner. Underneath the appearance color options, you'll see Toolbar as a new option. This allows you to control what buttons appear to the left or right of the address bar. Navigation, Home, Forward, New Incognito Window, Your Chrome, Google Password Manager, Payment Methods, Addresses and more, Bookmarks, Reading List, History, Delete Browsing Data, and for Tools and Actions, Print, Search with Google Lens, Translate, Create QR Code, Reading Mode, Copy Link, Send to your devices, Task Manager, and Developer Tools. Google has been working on this feature for several months and integrating more shortcuts in the process. The ability to customize the toolbar began rolling out for users in recent weeks, but Google is now confirming it's widely available with the Chrome 132 What's New page. To update Chrome, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open Settings at the bottom. In the left sidebar, go to About Chrome.